Today's topic is about control structure. The first control structure is the sequence. Sequence is the execution of statements one line after the other. That is the normal run of our program. The second control structure is the selection or condition, so which executes statements based on the condition evaluated. First example is the if condition. So the syntax is if condition statement, where condition is the expression that is being evaluated. So it will check if the condition is true or false. So if the condition is true, the statement is executed. If the statement is false, the statement is ignored, not executed, and the program continues right after this conditional structure. So to apply this control structure, so we have here the basic C++ program. Okay, so example, so we have int x cout input number or input a number. Okay, then cin, so we will put it to variable x. Then if, so the structure of if is if, then we have the condition if x is greater than 100, then cout your number is greater than 100. Okay, so that's it. So the syntax of if, so if is statement without the terminator or the semicolon, then next cout your number is greater than 100. So it will execute the cout if the condition is true. So you have to indent your true value. It's either this one unindented or indented, just to see or just to know that this is a true value of if. Then next, execute file or compile and run. Then we have if control structure if. Okay, so an error, compile and run. Input number, for example 104. So we know that 104 is more than 100. So your number is greater than 100. Or we have here, if you want to modify, so your number x is greater than 100. So execute sample 110. Your number 110 is greater than 100. What if we will input less than 100? Execute, compile, then 80. Okay, so there is no display because after the if condition there is no statements after that. Okay, so that's it for the if.